stripped down to its essence. Presence is what life is all about. Therein lies luxury in its truest form. That is living exclusive. It's in embracing the art of renewal, in a space designed to awaken your senses, nurture your vitality, and soothe your soul. Where your well-being is elevated, an ascension to your higher self. This is where you pen a new chapter, one that's composed with care, crafted with intention, deliberate, echoing the sound of a life lived on purpose. I am. I am. I am. That is the poetry of being. Welcome to Maravelle Residences.